Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the Mortgage Update. Today is September 15th, 2020, and today is rate day. I'm at home. I apologize. I had a couple closings today, and then I came straight home, and I'm having nothing but difficulty with my computer, but we still have to do rates today. So what we talked about yesterday was refinancing to pull out some cash to get rid of all that nasty debt that's lingering around you. So that's what we're going to look at today. So let's get on to it. What I did is I searched on the web, and basically the search engine verbiage that I put in there is refinance mortgage rates. And I'm going to show you about 5 or 6 different variations that I came up with, and some of the things you have to really watch out for. And I always say, we want to look at rates, we want to look at fees, and we want to look at the small print. So let's get into this right now. Okay, so the first thing I did is I Googled, and I'll show you the Google phrase that I put in. It was refinance mortgage rates, and the first thing that popped up was this one. And I looked at it and I'm like, are you kidding me? Those rates are fantastic. But there's a lot of caveats below. So it says, it's not saying that this is the mortgage, it's just saying in all the programs we have, mortgage rates are as low as 2.415%. Okay, APR. Well, that could be a 3-year ARM. It could be a 5-year ARM. It could be a 10-year fixed, 15-year fixed, 20-year fixed. What is it? Well, we read down in the small print. Advertised rates based on a $250,000 loan, single-family home, located in Georgia. Well, if you're not in Georgia, can you get this? Probably not. But let's say I live in Georgia and I can. Well, my credit score is 740. I'm at 80% what they call loan to value, and it's basically your loan amount divided by the value of your property on a 15-year term, with points of up to 0.713 and 30-year fixed rate, points of 3.319. Remember we talked recently about that rate that came out at 1.99%, but it was going to cost you $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 to get it. Guys, don't be tricked again into this. So the first thing I'm going to say with this AmeriSave thing is, I just want honesty. Let's keep looking. So then I went to, let's see what this thing is here. Bankrate.com, current refinance rates, September 15th. Rates move lower. And we scroll down and we're looking at a refinance rate. I put in St. Charles, Illinois, whatever. 740 credit score, property value of $450. I'm going to change this to, our benchmarks today are going to be, write these down. A $335,000 home with a $250,000 mortgage. That is 75%, that loan to value thing. So if you took $250,000 divided by $335,000, that gives you 75%. So that's what we're going to work with right now. $335,000 and $250,000 loan on a 30-year fixed. What do we got? Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at these rates. These are fantastic. Rate at 2.25%. Oh boy, it's going to cost me over $6,000 to get that. I don't really want that. That's a lot of money. I'm already buried in debt, and I want to get out of debt. Okay, let's go to the next thing. 2.5, getting better. Almost $5,000 in fees. I'm trying to get out of debt, guys. I just need some money to help me out. I'll pay interest, but I really don't want to pay all these fees, plus fees on top of that, plus fees on top of that. So let's go to the next one. 2.88, not bad. Fees, $425. Now we're getting somewhere. This place, 3%, no fees. Okay, so let's say in this case scenario, we're at 3% and no fees. We don't want to pay any fees, okay? But let's say we want to pay a little bit in fees. We got let's round this to 2.9. Okay, so that's where we're at on that one. We go to the next one, Wells Fargo. We make sure we click the refinance piece here. And they're saying a 30-year fixed rate here is 3.375. What's the small print? Let's see if there is any. oh, I don't even know if they pass, if it's legal. Oh, there it is right here. Annual percentage rate in our APR below include a 0.5 point in discount. So take your loan amount and multiply it by 0.5%. So let's do that real quick. And hey Siri, what's $250,000 times 0.5%?
I found an answer. It's displayed on your iPhone.
$1,250. So that's how much in points. That's just points that I'm going to pay on top of all these other fees. So it doesn't beat the last one that we found. Then we go to, who is this? Oh, shoot. Let me scroll down. US Bank. And these are some of the biggest banks in the country. And we want to make sure we're looking at refinance rates right here. We scroll down, 30-year fixed rate at 3.625. Are you kidding me? Back here, we're already at 2.9, or let's say 2.9. Let's say 2.9 to 3%. Okay, that's where we're at there. So this one, not even in the ballpark. Guaranteed rate, a huge company. They're a 30-year fixed, and we go through all the criteria right here. It's the same as we have on the other side. And their 30-year fixed rate here is 3.25. Lender costs $1,290. So theirs is 3.25. Still, we got better rates over here. Remember, guys, we're at 3% down here. Now we're going to look at me. So let's plug in these numbers. Remember, we had a loan amount of $250,000. We had a property value at $335,000. And this is going to be cash out. Remember, we're cashing out. And we're going to put in, we're getting $25,000. And our FICO score is 740. That's a good credit score. Debt ratio is, say, 40%. We live on M Street in M City in California. County is Alameda. And our zip is 60001. And that's what we're going to look at. We click down below. Let's see where rates are. Remember, we're at 3% is the best that we found out anywhere in the country right now. I come in at, and let's hold on here a second. My rate popped up at 3.125. But remember, I'm going to break this down for you. My rate at 3.125, you're going to get a credit back of $145. In September, any loans that get put in from today through the end of the month, I will give you an $850 credit. We're going to use that credit to pay this cost right here, meaning we scroll over, you're going to have a rate at 2.99%. So on all these loans, all these programs I looked at, I equal the best rate in the country. Okay? So now you get the best rate in the country, and you get to work with me personally that you've been following. Hopefully you've been following a long time. If you haven't been, please Google me. My name is Dan Frio. You watch me probably every day. I do the rate update on a daily basis. Tuesdays, what I do is I do a search, and I pick a particular program. We search all over the country to find the best rates in the town to show you that I can compete with the best of them out there. And also you get my expertise on working with you directly. So if you'd like to work with my services, the best way to reach me is give me a call at 844-775-LOAN. That's 844-775-5626. I'd love for you to follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, any which way you want there. If you'd like to reach me personally via email, and I ask people to do this, and I ask them on a daily basis, send me a copy of any estimate you have out there. And in probably 95% of the time, I can beat the other people in rates, fees, or all the above, rates and fees. Today I got in, by the time I left for my closing, I had 3 closings today. I had about 9 loan estimates in it, and the average was I was beating people by 0.125 with an average saving and cost of $2,300. So if you'd like a lower rate, lower fees, and you'd like to work with me personally, please reach out to me. That's the best way to get me, is to send me those loan estimates, send me a fee sheet. So what happens? Here's what happens is you apply for a loan. The lender has to issue you. Now you have to put in an application. We can't just create a whole file and do all this stuff to send you just, here's what our costs are. I'd love to send you an email just saying, okay, I can get you this rate at this based on all this criteria. I don't know that. I don't know what your credit score is. I don't know what your home value is. I don't even know where you live. So I need an application. But if you have a loan estimate already, you put in an application somewhere where you have a fee sheet, email it to me. My email, again, my name is Dan Frio. It's D-A-N for Dan. Frio is F-R-I-O. You can reach me via email at dfrio@preferredrate.com. All I need you to do is send me that loan estimate, your fee sheet. I will mark all over it in red pen, telling you what I can do or can't do. I might blip you back and say, God bless you. You know what? Take that loan that you locked in now. Take it, run it, lock it, sign it, move on. Don't look back. Most often, I'm going to call you or send you something back saying, you're going to have some great news. Look at the attachment. I got you a lower rate. I got you lower fees. Let's get doing this and get your application started immediately. All you'd have to do is click right here on, if you're at the website, or here, or here, or here, any which way you want, or email me, like I said, your loan estimate, and we'll get you started immediately. That is it for today. Today I got a special, and I told you guys about it yesterday. I'm giving shirts away every Friday. There's going to be a live drawing at noon. Pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. That's what the shirt's going to say. The Frio team, I'm giving those away. All I need you to do is one of a couple of these things. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Share the video. Comment on the video. I have a tool that reads all that data, and I'm going to pick a winner live Friday at noon, so stay tuned. But I need you there, or I'll at least, if you do that, leave a comment, leave your email address. I need to get a hold of you guys, but I'll do the video on Friday, so check back on Friday if you do subscribe, share, or leave a comment. Make sure you look at that video from Friday to see if you win the t-shirt, because I'll need to get a hold of you to figure out where I'm shipping this thing. So God bless, take care, have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Bye-bye.